Kartra Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Kartra Affiliate Program Review. If you're interested in exploring Kartra, I've left the links in the description for you. Let's jump right into it. Kartra is an all-in-one marketing automation platform designed to streamline your business operations. It's a one-stop solution for building and managing sales funnels, email marketing campaigns, landing pages, and even a membership site. Kartra is specifically designed for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and marketers who need a comprehensive, easy-to-use platform to grow and automate their businesses. The Kartra Affiliate Program is one of the best affiliate programs out there, especially if you're in the digital marketing space or targeting entrepreneurs. Kartra offers up to 40% recurring commissions for every sale you refer, which is substantial considering the product's pricing plans. Since Kartra is a subscription-based service, you'll earn commissions monthly, which means passive income that keeps growing as you bring in new customers. One of the standout features of the Kartra Affiliate Program is the two-tier structure, which means you can earn commissions not only from your own referrals, but also from the affiliates that you refer into the program. This opens up another stream of income and can dramatically increase your earnings. Additionally, the S30-day cookie window ensures that you get credit for any sales made within that time frame, even if the customer doesn't make a purchase immediately. Kartra also gives affiliates access to a professional dashboard that allows you to easily track your sales, commissions, and performance. The dashboard is intuitive, making it easy to monitor how your affiliate campaigns are performing. Plus, Kartra provides affiliates with a wide range of promotional materials, including email swipes, banners, social media posts, and more to help you market the platform efficiently. As an affiliate, you'll be promoting a product that is highly valued in the marketing automation space, with a strong reputation for delivering results. Kartra's suite of tools is perfect for business owners, marketers, or anyone looking to build an online business or improve their marketing campaigns. In summary, the Kartra Affiliate Program is highly lucrative, offering great commissions, an easy-to-use platform, and a wealth of marketing resources to help you succeed. If you're involved in the digital marketing or online business world, this is a program that's well worth considering. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.